Thin rod, man. It feels big.
A smaller rod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels like a monster.
He's fighting.
Yeah. He ain't bad.
Yeah.
He ain't bad at all. Bigger than I thought he was. That's some nice ones moving through.
Yeah, he's a good one.
Yeah.
Dang.
That's three right in a row. So we could
That's
definitely use
that's
the
three. That's at least 2 4-pounders, and I know he's 5.
He's every bit of 5.
Oh yeah.
He's the biggest one we've had so far.
Yeah.
That was on that smaller hook too.
Was it? Heck yeah, dude. Look at the tail on that sucker.
Yeah, man. Give me my hook back, dude.
Well, 3 fish, that's like 13 pounds.
Yeah. That was a killer hook set there.
I'll tighten your line up on this one. Your bell was still open.
He could have been taken off. Finally.
Somehow, your one pole's over.
I know, I think I got him crossed.